experience, and that's what they're going to need going into the playoffs. Oh, Kobe does it to Klay Thompson! James.
Kobe Bryant is guarded by Michael Jordan, and a pull away by this replay of Kobe. You see
that's his version of the hook shot.
Hesitation. Oh, what a
Just looking, gets it to Bryant. Bryant has to put it up with the buzzer. Backs it in. Bryant falling away, puts it up.
Harden and Bryant. Faced with a double.
Bryant calling for it. Looks up on the shot clock. Pierce guarding him. Kobe Bryant.
Here's because of this man, Kobe Bryant, can take over.
Hustle of Lamar Odom.